Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to plan a drive on Waze, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then click on the three lines at the top left corner, then click on the first option, plan a drive. Here also click on the plan a drive option, and now you have to enter your destination. Let's say the train station, and now you can set the day, today, tomorrow, or any other day of the week. Let's say tomorrow, and you have to select the time as well. It says that if you, for example, if I want to arrive there at 7:15, then I have to leave by that hour, 6:58. So it takes me 70 minutes to arrive there. And if I click on the save, it will ask me allow Waze to also use your location even when you are not using the app. Keep only while using. Okay, and now wait a second. Waze wants to use your location. Not now. Okay, so drive is saved, and it will notify me when I have to leave for arriving to my destination. If I click on these three dots here, you can send your location, edit the arrival time, or you can add some other route, or if you click on the remove, you can remove your plan. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.